Five altcoins positioned for massive gains in 2026, while retail chases Solana and Ethereum. Institutional money is accumulating altcoins with real revenue models and proven partnerships. Today, we're analyzing five projects with exceptional fundamentals. One backed by CZ with 522 billion in trading volume, another partnered with BlackRock tokenizing US Treasuries. Hit that like button and let's dive in. Welcome to Alpha Signal Markets. Bitcoin just tested 91k after correcting from 126k. The Altcoin Season Index hit 80 in September. Quality altcoins remained 70 to 90% below previous cycle highs. Today's project span perpetual DEX, RWA tokenization, next gen layer 1s, DeFi yield, and layer 2 liquidity. Quick disclaimer, this is educational content, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Project number 1, AsterDex. AsterDex trades at $1.11 with a 2.6 billion market cap. Launched September 2025 from the APX Asteros merger. CZ personally invested $2.5 million and serves as advisor. Former Binance employees are building it. The platform processed 522 billion in trading volume with 2 million users and 464 million total value logged. Offers up to 1000x leverage across BNB chain, Ethereum, Solana, and Arbitrum with full self custody. Users can collateralize with yield-bearing assets like AskBNB and USDF, launching on Layer 1 in Q1 2026 with privacy features. Already executed 70 million in buybacks with 1.7 million daily fees. Targets $2 to $4, conservative $4 to $10, aggressive for 2026. Risks 6.35 billion tokens locked until 2026 to 2035. Competition from Hyperliquid. Project number 2, Ondo Finance. Ondo trades at 52 cents with 1.6 billion market cap, leading RWA tokenization platform with 1.4 billion total value locked, second largest issuer after BitGo. BlackRock uses Ondo infrastructure to tokenize US Treasuries across Ethereum and 6 other chains. Franklin Templeton also integrated, processed 1.2 million transactions, just launched custom layer 1 for institutional finance, 21 shares, launching Ondo Just ETF with Coinbase custody. Market opportunity 120 trillion TradFi, 30 trillion projected tokenized by 2030. Targets $2 to $4 for 2026. 4 to 8x, $10 by 2028. Risk 6 billion token unlocks 2026 to 2029. Project number 3, Sui. Sui trades at $1.50 with 5.6 billion market cap, down 70% from $5.35 ATH, built by former Meta engineers using Move programming language with parallel transaction processing, processed 2.14 billion transactions in 2024 with 206 million active accounts, outperforming Tron, Polygon, and Ethereum. Ecosystem includes Cetus and Switzerland with billions in total value locked. Grayscale launched two trusts, Deepbook and Walrus, targets $4 to $7 for 2026, 3 to 5x, $10 to $14 by 2030. Competition from Ethereum Layer 2s and Solana, but superior technical architecture provides edge. Project number 4, Pendle Finance. Pendle trades at $2.71 with 447 million market cap. Revolutionary DeFi protocol that tokenizes future yield streams, splits yield bearing assets into principal tokens and yield tokens that trade independently, creates new markets for yield speculation and fixed income trading without capital lockup, integrates with AAVE and Compound, brings TradFi concepts like yield hedging into DeFi with unprecedented capital efficiency, targets $6 to $13 for 2026 to 5x, up to $19 aggressive. Long-term 2030 projections reach $70, 25x, positioned perfectly as institutional players need sophisticated yield products. Project number 5, Airdome Finance. Airdome trades at 71 cents with 1.45 billion market cap. Dominant DEX on Base. Coinbase's Layer 2. Base surpassed the Binance Chain in DEX users, captures 20% total DEX market share with millions of daily users. Airdome is Base's central liquidity hub, innovative Vieiro voting system where users lock tokens for governance over emissions. Projects bribe voters, creating flywheel effect. Emissions entering cruise phase, decaying 1% per epoch. Targets $1.13 to $1.66 for 2026, 60 to 140%, $6.50 to $10 if base growth continues, 9 to 14x. 2030 projections, $5.30 to $45. Risk management. These assets swing 30 to 50% daily. Recommended allocation, 50% large caps like ETH or SOL, 30% mid caps like Ondo, Sui, Airdo, 20% higher risk like Aster and Pendle. Use limit orders, not market orders. Set stop losses at 30%. Take initial capital out at 2x. Monitor exchange listings, partnerships, token unlocks. Watch Bitcoin dominance above 60% signals altcoin weakness. currently at 59% favorable for alt season. 5 quality infrastructure projects for 2026. Astor with CZ backing, Otto with BlackRock, Sui from Meta Engineers, Pendle revolutionizing yield, Aerodome dominating base. These have real fundamentals, experienced teams, and massive addressable markets. Early positioning in quality projects generates the highest returns. Like and subscribe to Off Signal Markets. Comment which project you're most bullish on. Thanks for watching.